Great. Okay, we'll start now. I'll share my screen, and if anyone has any doubt regarding the assignment or anything, just raise your hand and then speak up, all right? Also, I wanted to let you know all, it's for both II and IFO. Okay, so I wanted to tell you all that we have uploaded our own study material in the portal, and now on you need to study from that only. Please open your assignments. Is my screen visible? Please say yes or no.
Yes.
All right. See, इस assignment में ना, like इस पूरी file में there are 10 assignments, and some may find it very easy, some may find it moderate, some may find it difficult, but since we are doing it from very basics, तो हमने बहुत easy ही रखे इन assignment को, और notation wise रखे हैं, जिससे सबको help हो जाए कि उनको notations भी याद हो जाए, and they are familiar with the keys also. And also I was saying कि कल हमने इक्वेशन एडिटर पे ज्यादा फोकस किया था. टुडे वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन कीबोर्ड नोटेशंस बिकॉज फॉर स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी कीबोर्ड नोटेशन विल वर्क. तो प्लीज सब आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन कि हम असाइनमेंट अब स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो आप सभी मेरे साथ ही करना, एंड आई गिव यू टाइम, बट यू नीड टू सॉल्व इट विथ मी ओनली. ऑलराइट? For CMCS CB papers, all of you will solve everything. CM वाला भी पार्ट करना है, CS वाला पार्ट भी करना है, CB वाला पार्ट भी करना है, बिकॉज ये आपका आफ्टर ऑल स्पीड ही बढ़ाएगा. Just give me a thumbs up or something so that I can start now. Are you ready with your assignments?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll start. आई होप आप सबने कल की क्लास देखी थी, एंड थोड़ा बहुत आपको नोटेशन सब फेमिलियर हो जानी चाहिए. एंड फॉर सीवी पेपर्स ऑल्सो, इसके अंदर अगर आप देखोगे असाइनमेंट्स के अंदर, तो दे आर ऑल्सो सम नॉर्मल टाइपिंग, तो वो सब भी हेल्प करेगा. एंड जितने भी हम लोग असाइनमेंट आज सॉल्व कर पाएंगे विल डू दैट. एंड बाकी यू ऑल्सो हैव पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट वाइज असाइनमेंट. फॉर CM papers, they have their assignment. For CS paper, they have their other assignment. So all of you need to solve that for typing practice. We'll start now. Firstly, in first assignment, हम लोग ये सारे symbols लिखेंगे line by line, जैसे जैसे ये लिखे हैं same to same हम लिखेंगे, and we'll try कि हम इसको जल्द से जल्द लिख पाए. All of you please start typing. V equals to 1 / bracket open 1 plus I. प्लीज मेक श्योर कि आप सारे ये ब्रैकेट्स पे ध्यान रख रहे हो, बिकॉज ये ब्रैकेट से बहुत डिफरेंस आता है. सो यू ऑल नीड टू मेक श्योर वेयर टू यूज द ब्रैकेट एंड वेयर नॉट टू यूज द ब्रैकेट, वेयर टू यूज सबस्क्रिप्ट एंड सुपरस्क्रिप्ट. नेक्स्ट इज डेल्टा. नेक्स्ट इज IP.
मैम इसमें V हमें स्मॉल करना पड़ेगा क्या?
या करेक्ट. T equals to I star V. We used a star over here and not a cross because it may seem like a variable over here. तो इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे स्टार यूज किया. A_N.
सॉरी मैम, आपने क्या बोला कि स्टार यूज किया
instead of a cross, like a multiplication symbol जो हम यूज करते हैं, because it may look like a variable. A_N. A bar underscore n, S underscore n. Are you all done with the first line? Hmm. Yes, Kanishk.
मैम एन्युइटीज के लिए तो हम लोग का जो एन होता था उसको तो हम लोग लेस देन और ग्रेटर देन साइन के अंदर रखते थे ना।
यस, आप वैसे भी रख सकते हो। अभी हम लोग हम लोग थोड़ा सा फेमिलियर हो रहे हैं बस, तो इसलिए हम लोग थोड़ा ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं। बट आप वो अपने जो ग्रेटर देन एंड लेस देन सिंबल होते हैं वही यूज करना बाद में। जब हम
अच्छा।
लोग बाद में क्वेश्चन पेपर एंड ऑल सॉल्व करेंगे ना, तो हम वैसे ही यूज करेंगे।
ओके, थैंक यू।
यस।
Ma'am, and continuing to this question, we usually use the colons instead of underscore, right, in actual notations?
या ऑलराइट, नाउ यू गाइस सी कि यहाँ पे रेड लाइंस आ रही है, एंड आई टोल्ड यू ऑल कि जब हमको लगता है कि वो लाइंस हमारी प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत खराब कर रही है, तो देयर इज अ वे कि हम उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं। I hope you all remember. We go to the File tab. We'll go to Options. We'll go to Proofing. And we'll check the boxes. Hide spelling error in this document only. Hide grammar errors in this document only. So what will it do is कि वो red lines and the green lines हमारे document में आएंगे, वो सारा remove हो जाएगा, but for this file only.
मैम उसमें कहाँ से था, एक बार रिपीट करोगे प्रूफिंग के बाद?
Okay. You go to the File tab. Go to Options. Go to Proofing. Scroll down and check the boxes. Hide spelling errors in this document only. Hide grammar errors in this document only. And then click OK.
दोनों में टिक कर दी। हो गया हो गया।
Okay. We'll start with the next line now. L underscore X, D underscore X, E underscore X, Q underscore X, T underscore P underscore X. That makes TPX. T underscore Q underscore X, new bracket open X plus T, E underscore X, E bar underscore X.
Ma'am, instead of writing this T underscore P underscore X, can we not simply write TPX?
You can simply write TPX, but as I told you कि ये सिर्फ एक हम practice करवा रहे हैं कि स्पीड थोड़ा तेज हो जाए, तो इसलिए यू कैन राइट लाइक ऐसे भी आप लिख सकते हो TPX, TQX, आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, बस थोड़ा सा स्पीड के चक्कर से हम यहाँ पे अभी ऐसे करा रहे हैं। एंड इन दिस असाइनमेंट कि हमको एज इट इज लिखना है, तो इसलिए हम ऐसे लिख रहे हैं अभी।
Okay, thank you.
Are you all done with the second line? Guys, please turn on your cameras. Okay. The next is A underscore X, A bar underscore X, A 1 underscore X colon N. Now again, I need to capitalize the A part. तो अगर मैं कैप्स लॉक की के बजाय कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव चाहूँ, तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, जो आपको लेटर आपका कैपिटलाइज करना है, यू गो टू शिफ्ट की को प्रेस करके रखो एंड देन प्रेस योर लेटर, तो फिर उससे वो कैपिटल में आएगा। A underscore x colon n1 a underscore x colon n t underscore x tv underscore x ia underscore n ia underscore x. Are you all done with the CM part? Great. Let's begin with the next portion now. E bracket open x ball bracket open x. This is for expectation. This is for variance. Next, covariance of x comma y, x bar, s to the power of 2, that is s square, theta hat, sigma hat square, p hat, m underscore xt, k underscore xt, g underscore xs, l theta, I theta, L theta. Are you guys going with me? Amazing. Next we come x follows n mu comma sigma square h underscore h naught h1 chi square k t underscore n f underscore mn p value alpha equals to 0.05. Done with CS part?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, like we have used x follows normal. So
Yes.
if we have to use approximately follows, then how do we write it?
For approximately follows, you can write like this. Or in the equation editor, what you can do is open your equation editor by alt equals to type approx. All right.
Okay.
Let's come to CB part. We'll do it very fast now because these are just normal notations, not even notations. These are just normal short forms. NPV, IRR, WACC, ROCE, EPS, DPS, P/E, PBIT, KE, KD, RF, gearing, interest cover, current ratio, quick ratio, inventory days, TED, YED, XED, TES, MC, MR, AC, AR, AD, AS. Are you all done?
Ma'am, will this class be uploaded in the recording section?
Yes, it will be. Okay. Let's move to assignment second now. A underscore n equals to 1 minus v to the power n, bracket close, A due underscore n equals to 1 minus v to the power n forward slash d. A bar underscore n equals to 1 minus v to the power n forward slash delta. T underscore p underscore x equals to exponential minus integration 0 to t mu x plus s ds. Ex equals to summation t equals to 1 to infinity tpx. A underscore x equals to 1 minus d star a due x. A underscore x colon n equals to a1 x colon n plus a underscore x colon n1. I hope you all understand कि x cube per 1 is for different assurance product, and for n cube per 1 it is different. A underscore x colon n1 equals to v to the power n star npx. Are you all done with the CM part? Please let me know when you all are done. Wait. Just give me a moment. Can you all see my screen again? Okay. I hope you all are with me. If you are facing any issue, just let me know. Let's come to CS portion now. Variance of X equals to expectation X square minus
PX वाला भी तो है ना?
इस बार आप फिर से रिपीट करो.
मैम PX वाला
Yeah.
और एक है.
P underscore X equals to A underscore X divided by A dx. TVX equals to A underscore X plus T minus P underscore X star A due underscore X plus T. So by now you should know कि where do you need to use the star sign and where do you need to use the multiplication sign, the x वाला sign. क्योंकि अगर हम अभी यहाँ notations में use करते हैं तो you see कि वो बहुत confusing हो जाएगा, तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पे star वाला symbol use कर रहे हैं. तो आपको ये सब अब like थोड़ा सा पता चल जाना चाहिए कहाँ पे कौन सा sign use करना है आपको. And also for II, CB papers, you won't be allowed to use equation editor. आपका एक अलग से पोर्टल होता है II का, एंड वहाँ पे टेक्स्ट एडिटर फॉर्म में आपको लिखना होता है, लाइक पोर्टल के अंदर ही. तो वहाँ पे आपको इक्वेशन एडिटर यूज करने को नहीं मिलेगा, तो यू हैव टू टाइप नॉर्मली ओनली. नाउ लेट्स कम टू CS पोर्शन. Variance of X equals to expectation of X square minus whole square. Covariance of X comma Y equals to expectation X star Y minus expectation of X expectation of Y. MXT equals to expectation of exponential T star X. L theta equals to ln L theta I theta equals to minus t equals to x bar minus mu divided by
Ma'am, what is the D21?
S SQRT n. X,
Ma'am, what is this D21?
it's d square I.
Okay.
X square equals to sum OI minus EI square divided by EI. YI equals to alpha plus beta xi plus EI. R square equals to SS regression upon SS total. AIC equals to minus 2 L plus 2 P. Now let's come to CB. NPV equals to summation T equals to 0 to N CFT forward slash 1 plus R to the power 2. IRR is R such that NPV equals to 0. WACC equals to E divided by V into KE plus D divided by V into KD into 1 minus T. V equals to E plus D. KE equals to RF plus beta into RM minus RF. D underscore 1 divided by KE minus G. ROCE equals to PBIT divided by capital employed. PED equals to percentage change in QD divided by percentage change in P. Are you all done? Let's see some more thumbs up. Great. So in approximately 35 minutes, we have done 2 assignments. Okay, now the third assignment, which is based upon Greek letters, subscript and superscript. Yes, you will get a recording of this. Yes, Sunny.
Ma'am, in the CS part, if we use second bracket or third bracket instead of first bracket or first bracket instead of second, third bracket, it would be a mistake.
I didn't get you. Can you repeat again?
Ma'am, in the CS part, if we use the first bracket instead of the third bracket, will it be considered a mistake or something?
No.
In this covariance XY, E X comma Y,
Yes.
if we use the first bracket, will there be any issues?
No, there will be no issue. Just keep consistency. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll type some Greek letters. Mu, sigma, delta, lambda, theta, alpha. Yes.
Ma'am, so basically they have mentioned the time, like the target time. Is it for like taking the whole assignment or just one part of, let's say, M1?
For the whole assignment.
Okay.
Yeah, since we are in class right now, so abhi we are going very slow. The maximum focus over here is कि आप लोग टाइप कर पाओ, ठीक है, along with me only. तो इससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आप लाइक किस स्टेज पे अभी हो. And the assignments which we have provided in your portals, जो extra assignments है आपके, वो आपको घर पे practice करने हैं in timed manner. All right. Okay. We were at beta, then rho, phi, tau, omega, xi, sigma, delta, omega, capital phi, gamma, lambda. Okay. Now we'll try कि हम लोग को कंट्रोल प्लस इक्वल्स टू करके सब्सक्रिप्ट एंड कंट्रोल प्लस माइनस करके कंट्रोल प्लस माइनस करके सुपरस्क्रिप्ट सब्सक्रिप्ट एंड कंट्रोल प्लस करके अपना इक्वल्स टू करके अपना सब्सक्रिप्ट पे जाएंगे, ठीक है, इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग द अंडरस्कोर्स.
Why it is used? Why we cannot use the underscore? What's the disadvantage?
No, there is no disadvantage. अभी हम बस प्रैक्टिस के लिए कर रहे हैं. You can use the underscore part also.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, Dhruvi.
When I'm trying to do subscripts with control plus equal to sign, it is zooming in my
Not able to hear you.
hello.
Yes.
But I'm saying that when I'm trying to do control plus equals to, it is zooming in instead of going to subscript.
For subscript, you need to use control shift minus.
Oh,
Yeah.
And that is for superscript, na? For subscript is control equal to, no?
We are doing abhi subscript now.
हाँ तो मैम कंट्रोल इक्वल टू, मेरा कंट्रोल इक्वल टू में नहीं हो रहा है।
कंट्रोल
Ma'am,
शिफ्ट
rather than shortcut key, we can also use from the ribbon tab near for superscript and subscript.
from which tab?
And near color tab.
Yes, you
which we
can
change
use
the color
that.
of-
It would be थोड़ा troublesome क्योंकि आपको बार बार वो tabs यूज करने पड़ेंगे.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, you need to use both. Are you asking me or you are telling in chat? Please unmute yourself. All right, all right. X N AX capital AX. How to get out of subscript? वापिस आप control shift underscore अपना करो, you will get out of subscript. L X D X T V X beta I P I J mu I J E T. Now superscript. For superscript, you need to use control shift equals to. And to get out of it, again control shift equals to. X square xn xi, sorry, vn 1 plus I to the power of n. What issues are you facing?
एक्चुअली मैम जब x लिखती हूँ और उसके बाद 1 लिखती हूँ तो वो हो जा रहा है, देन नेक्स्ट x2 लिखने पे वो वापस फिर मतलब x ही सब्सक्रिप्ट में चला जा रहा है बार बार.
अच्छा, पहले आप नॉर्मली अपने कर्सर पे आ जाओ, देन विल डू साथ में.
ओके मैम.
देखो, type sigma, do control shift equals to, you'll go up, type 2, then control shift equals to, then you'll get back to normal.
मैम कंट्रोल शिफ्ट इक्वल्स टू में प्लस का साइन आ रहा है.
आप शिफ्ट कर रहे हो क्या?
दो तीनों साथ में ही कर रही हूँ, कंट्रोल शिफ्ट एंड इक्वल्स टू.
Maybe try your other control key if it is not working.
ओके. तो सुबह सब्सक्रिप्ट में चला गया.
Okay, for the time being, type like normal SI type कर लो आप. After class, we'll look into your issue. All right.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. E to the power of minus delta t s underscore. Now since it's underscore and also superscript, तो हम दोनों करेंगे, ठीक है. Are you guys done till here? Let's see more thumbs up. Okay. AX square for TPX we'll normally write right now. Sigma hat square I to the power of P D to the power of P Are you guys done? Okay. So we'll move to fourth assignment now. In this assignment, we'll type continuous sentences, which will contain notations also, and we'll try to do it in keyboard notation form only, right? Let's move to CM first. The curtailed expectation of life EX is the expected number of complete years of future lifetime of a life aged X exact and is given by EX equals to summation T equals to 1 to infinity TPX, where TPX is the probability that a life aged X survives T years. The complete expectation of life E bar X measures the same quantity exactly rather than in whole years and is given by E bar X equals to integration 0 to infinity Tpx dt. If deaths are assumed to be uniformly distributed over each year of age, then E bar X equals to Ex plus 0.5 approximately. Have you guys written down? Take your time. It's okay. There are approximately 53 people in the meeting and I have got just 4 to 5 thumbs up. Is there any problem? Okay. Moving to the CS portion. The maximum likelihood estimator of a parameter theta is the value theta hat that maximizes the likelihood L theta equals to product I equals to 1 to n fx I theta or equivalently the log likelihood L theta equals to ln L theta. It is found by solving dl over d theta equals to 0, and checking that d square L upon d theta square is negative at that point. For large samples, the estimator is approximately normally distributed with mean theta and variance 1 by L theta, where L theta equals to minus expectation of d square L upon d theta square is the pressure information, and it attains the Kramer-Rao lower bound variance theta hat is greater than equals to 1 by theta. Okay, let's move to the next one. The weighted average cost of capital is the return a company must earn on its existing assets to satisfy all of its providers of finance, and is given by WACC equals to E by V into KE plus D by V into KD into 1 minus T, where E and V are the market values of equity and debt. V equals to E plus D. KE is the cost of equity. KD is the pre-tax cost of debt. And T is the rate of corporation tax. It is an appropriate discount rate only for projects of similar business risk to the company's existing operations, financed in similar portion. Financed in similar portions. Its proportions. Let me know when you all are done. We'll move to the next assignment. Okay, now we go to assignment 5, and in this assignment we need to use equation editor. I hope you all know how to open equation editor by alt equals to, and we will start with these. If anyone faced any problem, please just let me know. A underscore x a square a underscore x square a underscore x plus t. A plus b.
It means every time we have to use alter equal to.
What? Can you repeat?
Every time for every notation we have to use again and again alter equal to, or in one notation of alter equal to we can write all the.
One go with one notation only, like in one line only. Don't use alt equals to again and again. P plus T. मैम मेरा ना ये जो टाइप है वो ना मिडिल में आ रहा है तो उसको एट द स्टार्ट कैसे go to home tab and click on left alignment. All you can do is Control L. It will shift to the left side. Yes. A divide by B. Whole divide by C divide by D. Square root of x. Square root of 3x. Integration from 0 to infinity summation limits I equals to 1 to n product limits from I equals to 1 to n limit मैम वो बॉक्स से आउट कैसे होंगे मतलब कैन यू रिपीट मैम वो जो स्मॉल बॉक्स आ जाता है ना उससे लाइक दूसरे फंक्शन पे लिखने के लिए कैसे क्लिक ऑन द राइट एरो राइट की n tends to infinity. Are you guys done till here? I'll wait for a few minutes and then we'll continue, okay? We'll continue from the fourth row. मैम ये लास्ट लिमिट वाला वो मेरा नहीं आ रहा wait let me show you for the limit 1 type limit lim underscore bracket open, n, backslash, right arrow.
Ma'am, first plus slash, then lim.
No, just lim. First just type lim, then underscore, bracket open, backslash, right arrow, then backslash, infty, bracket close, spacebar. Is this clear?
Ma'am, 1 minute will need 8 seconds.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Should we move forward? All right. Moving to the next one. These are Greek letters now. Alpha, beta, delta, theta, lambda, mu, sigma, pi with a small p. Now capital S sigma, capital D delta, capital O omega. Next, df upon dx, del f upon del x, del square f upon del x square a bar. After you type bar, you need to press spacebar 2 times. A hat, similar for hat. A tilt. A dot. A d dot. A rec. These are not important for you, but if you still want to practice, you can. The most common we use is approx or propt over here. So we'll type that. approx. Prop2 is for proportional.
मैम ए बैक करने के बाद आपने अप्रॉक्स और प्रॉप टू पढ़ा थी।
हाँ, we'll type in plain keyboard notation after you guys are done. Please give me a thumbs up or just speak up. All right. Now comes integration. Zero to infinity. B to the power t. Tpx into mu x plus t dt. Summation
These are to be typed in pure notations, not for the equation editor.
Yes, it needs to be typed in keyboard notations. Summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus x bar square divided by n minus 1. Next, NPV equals to summation t equals to 0 to n CFT divided by 1 plus r to the power of t. Okay, we'll move to the next assignment now. It's assignment 6. Now it's like a question दे रखा है and we have the solution for that also. And we will type it exactly like this only. We'll type the question and we'll type the solution of this.
Will be without equation editor or with equation editor?
Without equation editor.
Okay.
For CM, you don't need to type the question, it's not mentioned. You just need to type the answers. EPV premiums equals to P into A due 45 is to 15. We need to calculate the premium. EPV benefits equals to 1 lakh into A1 45 is to 15. P into A due 45 colon 15 equals to 1 lakh A1 45 colon 15, which gives us P equals to 1 lakh. Now since we know कि हम लोग एक ही चीज को बार बार लिख रहे हैं, instead of writing it again and again, we'll just copy paste it down here. I have written 1 lakh already. I'll copy paste this part by doing Control C, Control V, then divide by. The same part is over here. I'll take this Control C and Control V. So now you know कि एग्जाम के अंदर you don't need to type everything again and again. जो part आपको लगता है repeat हो चुका है, you can copy it and paste it down there, जिससे वो time save करेगा आपका. For CS confidence interval, a sample of 25 claim amount has mean 4200 and standard deviation 900, assuming the amounts are independent observations from a normal distribution with unknown variance. We'll calculate 95% confidence interval. Let's type the answer. CI equals to X bar plus minus T underscore N minus 1, 0.025 into S divided by square root of N. Now we'll substitute CI equals to 4200 plus minus 2.064 into 900 divided by square root of 25 equals to 4200 plus minus 2.064 into 180, which is equals to 4200 plus minus 371.5. Now 95% confidence interval is 3828, 4572. Now coming to CB paper, weighted average cost of capital. All figures are in GBP thousands. Equity 8,000 share at 3.50, debt 12,000 nominal at 92 per 100, paying 6%, risk-free rate 4%, equity risk premium 5%, equity beta 1.2, tax 25%. E equals to 8,000 into 3.50, which is equals to 28,000 D equals to 12,000 into 0.92, which is equals to 11,040. V equals to 39,040. Now KE equals to RF plus beta into RM minus RF equals to 4% plus 1.2 into 5% equals to 10%. KD into 1 minus T equals to 6 divided by 92 into 0.75 equals to 6.52% into 0.75 equals to 4.89%. Now, WACC equals to 28,000 divided by 39,040 into 10% plus 11040 divided by 39,040 into 4.89% equals to 7.17% plus 1.38% equals to 8.55%. So now for all the papers, I hope you all know how you are required to type the answers, in what format you need to type, and what are the things you need to be careful about. These are very short questions, so I think थोड़ा help तो हुआ ही होगा इससे कि you know कि कौन से steps कहाँ पे include करने होते हैं and how do you type efficiently and save time. We will do one last assignment for today, and then I can take your doubts you all have in your typing practice or anything you want to discuss about typing. Yes, Pragati.
मैम एक बात पूछनी थी, जैसे आपने एन्यूटी ड्यू का लिखा है ए ड्यू अंडरस्कोर 45 : और जो भी N5 था शायद, तो मैम हम उसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं ए ड्यू : X : एंगल ब्रैकेट ओपन N और फिर एंगल ब्रैकेट क्लोज.
Yes, you can write like that.
और मैम जैसे आपने अश्योरेंसेस के ऊपर बताए थे जो नॉर्मली ए से कर रहे थे, तो मैम हम उसे टर्म अश्योरेंस को जैसे TA ऐसे कर सकते हैं.
आप एनवायरनमेंट को PE, इन केस ऑफ
हम्म.
लास्ट सर्वाइवर LS, ये सब करके आप लिख सकते हो.
ओके मैम, ओके, थैंक यू.
Yes. Okay, now we will go to typing practice and commenting. These are just like small phrases, and I think ये जल्दी जल्दी type हो जाएगा. So you all need to start typing now. Under a conventional endowment assurance, the premium is level, but the expected cost of benefit is not, comma. So the insurer sets aside the excess received in the early years to meet the higher expected outgo later, comma, together with the guaranteed maturity payment. The reserve at time t is the excess of the expected present value of future benefits over the expected present value of future premiums. It starts at 0 at issue, comma, increases over the term as the maturity benefit approaches, comma, and reaches the sum assured at the end of the term, comma, since at that point the benefit is certain and immediately payable. Full stop. Done with CM. Now coming to the CS part, commenting on a fitted model. The fitted generalized linear model uses a Poisson error structure with a log link, comma, which is appropriate because claim counts are non-negative integers and because the log link guarantees a positive fitted mean and makes the model multiplicative in the rating factors. Full stop. The scale deviance should be examined and nested models compared using the change in deviance against a chi-square distribution with degrees of freedom equal to the difference in the number of parameters. Deviance residuals plotted against the fitted values should show no pattern, evidence that the variance exceeds the mean would indicate over dispersion which would need to be allowed for. Now in the commenting part, there are many points which need to be highlighted, or you want the examiner to see that highlighted points. So instead of using the colors, highlights, these are not allowed in the exam. We would use bold marking, italics, or underlining. Maybe we'll take the CS part. The fitted generalized linear model uses a Poisson error structure with a log link. Maybe we want to highlight this portion. So what we'll do is we'll select this portion to show that this is an important point, or just to highlight it. What you can do is use Control B to bold the part, Control I to italic the part, or Control U to just underline the part. But you won't use any highlight or any other color, especially red or green or any other color. It is not allowed in the exam. So you can simply just bold or underline, bold and italic. These are enough. No other need to color the important points. Guys, when you are done, please let me know. We'll go to CB portion. I'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes more for more thumbs up, and then we'll go to CB portion. Let's move to the CB part now. I'll minimize my screen. Return on capital employed has fallen from 15.8 8% to 13.2% over the year. Decomposing the ratio shows that the operating margin has held broadly steady at just under 20%, while asset turnover has fallen from 0.82 to 0.66, so the deterioration is driven by the asset base rather than by profitability on sales. This is consistent with the significant addition to non-current assets during the year, which has not yet generated a full year of revenue. Gearing has risen from 28% to 33%, and interest cover has fallen from 9.1 times to 6.9 times, which remains comfortable but leaves less headroom if trading weakens. Full stop. This is the last assignment for today, and when you all are done, please let me know. We'll discuss and take some doubts. I think you all are done with the assignment. Today we did 7 assignments, and I think in 1 hour 45 minutes, this much is very enough. Like, बहुत अच्छा speed पे we have done it. Is there any doubt in the typing practice you need, or just anything, like you need some guidance or anything, you all can turn on your mics or just raise your hands and we'll take it turn by turn.
How to increase the speed?
Regarding the speed, Kritika, I think you were there in yesterday's class also, and
Yes, ma'am.
yes, and I told at the start of the class only, if for the speed part you need to practice a lot, and these assignments are created just for that only. Maybe they seem very easy for now, but देखो जैसे 2 hours में we have covered 7 assignments and उससे you know कि at what speed you are, if you were lacking behind, अगर क्लास के साथ नहीं चल पा रहे थे तो you need more practice. If you were going with me, then you are at okay speed, because abhi I was even typing a little slow for the class, and but जब practice speed के लिए तो you just need to practice a lot of typing. You are from which exam?
Ma'am, CD1 and CM2.
Alright. तो उसके लिए देखो CM2 में you just need to practice with equation editor and keyboard notations, and for the speed part also I'll recommend कि जितना कम यूज हो पाए इक्वेशन एडिटर का उतना कम यूज करो. फोकस मोर ऑन कीबोर्ड नोटेशंस, क्योंकि उससे आपका जल्दी जल्दी टाइप भी हो रहा है एंड आपका आंसर भी फटाफट समझ भी आ रहा है आपको, एंड आप टाइप भी कर पा रहे हो. अगर आप इक्वेशन एडिटर यूज करते हो तो वो नीटनेस एंड क्लीननेस पार्ट के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि हाँ कॉम्प्लेक्स इक्वेशन आ रहा है तो हमको वो लिखना है. बट अगर आपको लगता है वहाँ पे नहीं इंपॉर्टेंट है तो आप अपना कीबोर्ड नोटेशन पे स्टिक करो एंड बस उसके साथ ही प्रैक्टिस करो. एंड ऑल्सो इन योर पोर्टल, इन योर डैशबोर्ड्स, हम लोगों ने AEIPL मटेरियल के अंदर ही और भी असाइनमेंट वो पुट अप करे हैं स्पेसिफिकली फॉर CM, CS, CV पेपर्स. तो आप लोग, एंड that assignments are like 40 days के लिए, like 30 days के लिए. these are like a 1 month program. तो आप उसको डेली प्रैक्टिस करो उन सबको, तो उससे आपका स्पीड बढ़ जाएगा. एंड ऑल्सो पास्ट पेपर सारा आप टाइपिंग पे करो, तो विथ टाइम योर स्पीड विल इंक्रीज.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for IAI CM1 in this November, can I totally avoid equation editor?
Yes, if you are comfortable with using keyboard notation, you can avoid equation editor.
Because if I'm using the equation editor, it is getting much more cumbersome. So,
All right, then you can focus on using keyboard notation. Just in case, if anywhere there's a problem कि आपको ही समझ नहीं आ रहा कीबोर्ड नोटेशन में हमने क्या लिखा है, तब आप इक्वेशन एडिटर यूज कर लो. बट इट्स टोटली फाइन इफ यू यूज कीबोर्ड नोटेशन, देयर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन इन दैट.
okay, ma'am. And then for CV2, matlab 1 hour daily practice is enough.
Yeah, daily practice of normal paragraph phrases, these are enough, because in CV2 there are no calculation answers. There are some numerical portions, but I think these are normal plus minus or divide only, right? And some formulas, so वो तो आप normally कर सकते हो, like 1 hour आप practice करो हो जाएगा.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I think there was a girl who was saying उसका subscript and superscript में problem आ रहा है. Is she still present over here?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll take your doubt at the end. Okay, is there any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
All right, you all can leave the class. If there's any doubt or if there's any suggestion for the typing class you want कि कैसे हो, please let me know. We'll try to do that.
And would there be more typing classes conducted, or shall we practice this assignments only?
You start practicing the assignments, and if there would be more classes, we'll update in the group itself.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
मैंने one suggestion है कि जैसे subject में जैसे CS तो उसके questions का थोड़ा बहुत अगर practice हो तो
I'm not able to hear you. थोड़ा like loudly बोलो.
hello
Yes.
मैम एक ये सजेशन है कि जैसे सब्जेक्ट वाइज जैसे सीएस के स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक्स क्वेश्चंस के तो वैसे अगर प्रैक्टिस हो कुछ क्वेश्चंस तो बेटर.
All right, we'll keep this in mind, and I'll try ki, if we can keep it subject wise.
Sure, thank you.
Right. Where we will find this assignment file you have used today. It's there in your dashboard under study material tab, AITL material, and the file name is standard typing assignments. For CV1, should we make the accounts very balanced in MS Excel? If you are from IFOA, you can use Excel and then paste it in Word. But if you are from II, you need to practice in Word itself because you have a portal जिसके अंदर टेक्स्ट एडिटर फॉर्म्स के अंदर बॉक्सेस होते हैं एंड आप कुछ भी कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हो, तो आप डायरेक्टली टेबल ड्रॉ करके ही प्रैक्टिस सम सॉल्व कर पाओगे. The link will be shared for this video in your groups. All right, you all can start leaving now. And those who have some particular doubts, they can stay in the meeting.